Hi, I'm Dr. Aimee. Let's talk about divorce. I know, not exactly a happy subject that people want to talk about, but over 50% of marriages end in divorce. And that's a pretty high number. No one gets married thinking they're going to get divorced, but we know it happens. But I'm not sure couples know why it happens. There are four contributing factors to divorce that can predict in almost 95% accuracy who is going to get divorced. We call them, in my field, we call them the four horsemen of divorce. And the first one is criticism. So if you criticize your spouse frequently, more than you do give them compliments, that's a big factor. The second horseman, is defensiveness. And this means when you go into defensiveness, you're not really listening to what your spouse has to say. You're really only listening to defend yourself and to give your comeback response to maybe win the argument. The third horseman is contempt. When you get to this point in an argument or conflict, you're rolling your eyes, you're sneering, maybe you're making a joke or being sarcastic with your spouse in an attempt to either avoid the conflict or, again, to win the argument. And the last one is stonewalling. And this is really the worst factor and is the most predictive of couples who are going to split and divorce. And that's when there's just no response at all. So the conflict has kind of ended and there's no communication whatsoever. So, think about your marriage or, maybe previous marriages going into the next marriage. Remember those four things. If you're married now and you're struggling and you have any or all four of those things present in your marriage, you probably want to talk to somebody to get some help. If you or anyone you know would benefit from mental health treatment, please call your doctor or contact another qualified medical professional in your area. If you have questions about this topic or any other mental health concerns, please call us at the Counseling and Learning Center.